Welcome back, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new release Sylvanian Family Flora Rabbit Family that was released in Japan earlier this month. First, I'll unbox the set that consists of the son and daughter figure with a few accessories. You can see the contents of the box on the side panel. Then I'll unbox the family consisting of the mother, father, and 3 baby triplets. Here's a quick peek at the back of the boxes. We'll start with the brother and sister set. Their gingham outfits are pretty cute, and they look like they can play Jack and Jill from the nursery rhyme. The skies above the blue. The figures come with a plastic flower at their ear, which you'll see is removable. I love the daughter's apron and her yellow bow. Her flower is blue and a different shape from her brother's. I found a dream that Here you can see how you can remove the flower from the ear and swap them around, and it does leave a hole behind right there at the ear, and it can also leave a dent in the flocking just above the eye there where the flower was leaning against the head. And here I'm replacing it with a purple flower that comes in the set. So that purple flower is one of 2 that comes in this tray of accessories, along with your little garden tools and a basket and some greenery to put in the basket. So it's nice to be able to swap around the different flowers. For you are mine at last. There is another tray of accessories consisting of this yellow watering can, pastel tulips, and a flower pot. The sign for the flower pot has a little tulip on it. So let's learn their names. The daughter's name is Alice. The son's name is Lennon. Overall, it's a very pretty set with soft colors for these floppy-eared rabbits. Now let's unbox the parents and the triplet babies. This set comes with 2 small yellow flowers and a bouquet. The baby carriage is so sweet, has that quilted look on the inside, a beautiful little blue bow, the wheels do move, and it's just a different shape than all the other carriages that have come out in the collection, and I really love it. Here's a closer look at the bouquet with the yellow flowers put in it. Here's a closer look at the mom in her lovely dress with a pretty lace trim at the collar and the skirt, and again the pretty yellow ribbon. She comes with a blue flower at her ear. Was wrapped up in clover. The night father has a pretty gingham shirt and then a little gingham pink pocket on his overalls. His flower is light green and a different shape from the mother's. Now, I always love the little triplet babies. They don't have arms or legs that move, but their heads can turn. A thrill that I have never known. Oh, So time to learn their names. The mother's name is Aria. The father is Nolan. The baby in pink is Rosemary. The baby in yellow is Thyme. And the baby in purple is Sage. So here's a look at all of the contents of both sets all put together. I think it's really cool that a lot of the families are now coming with accessories. And there are actually twin babies that are supposed to become available, a boy and a girl with French names. The girl's name will be Ciel and the boy's name Renaud. Here the babies are in their carriage and the figures are holding their tulips. Now here's a comparison of the Flora Rabbit mother with a standard chocolate rabbit mother. You can see that the Flora Rabbit mother has more definition to her mouth and chin, and her eyes are slightly bigger. The Chocolate Rabbit has a pointier nose as opposed to the flatter nose from the Flora Rabbit. Here's a comparison of the height of the two mother figures. And then we have two mother figures, and then a Chocolate Rabbit and a Flora Rabbit daughter figure. And here's a height comparison with a Maple Cat mother and daughter. This is a little storybook that comes with the set, and it's in Japanese, but I'll flip through so you can see the pictures. So I think these two sets are a worthy addition to the collection. The floppy ears are so unique. Here's a closer look at the flowers at the ears. I do think it's a little weird that if you take the flowers out, you're left with a hole in the figure, but there's really no reason to take the flowers out. They do look really cute. I hope you found this unboxing helpful, and as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you can get your hands on this family if you like them.